Welcome everyone. Today I gonna discuss about I will discuss about automations. Assign overboard BGD in inferior of AS relationship, BGP conversations, optional BGP tutorial characteristic, the internal hierarchy from multiple vantage points, a comparison of overlay routing and multiplying research overlying network IBGP configuration. Outline. Assets policy AGP attributes AGP path selection IBGP inferring AS relationship problem with the BGP coverage sub optimal route overlay routing and multi homing and summary. Routing, which area is a node has routes to every other node outside. Each node has route for other top level areas only. Inter area packet are route to nearest appropriate border routes can result in suboptimal path. Path suboptimals. A logical view of internet. National default free with the global reachability infos. AT&T and unit regional of the countrywide Pacific Bay local DSL. Landmark routing basis idea. Not ordering per packet does not necessarily follow specific landmarks. No policy route. Not searching routing. Why small routing table dynamic self-configuring algorithm source want to reach LMO. Outline BGP's problem with BGP coverage suboptimal route and overlay routing and malformings and summary. Autonomous systems, cloud together by a common administrators. Autonomous system is a specific case of an ARD example MIT, AT&T, how to ASIC interconnect to provide global connectivity. Notarist versus transit area. Transfer never flow up from ISPs 1 through net A to ISP 2. Notarist AS might be a corporate or the campus network could be a content provider. Customer and provider. Customer pays provider for access to the internet. Pairing relationship. Pairing wires. Pairs that do not pair reduce upstream transit cost can increase end-to-end performance may be the only way to connect your customer to some part of the internet. You could rather have customer pair are usually your competitors. Pairing relationship may be require periodic regenerations. Routine in the internet link state of distance vectors problem with the distance vectors problem with the link state. Solution distinct vector. Each route update carried the entire path loops and detect as follows when as gets route check as already in paths. Advantage metrics are local and ensures no maps. BGP4. BGP auto rating simple. Establish sessions on TCP port 179. Exchange all active route. Exchange incredible update. Interconnected BGP pairs. BGP use TCP to the connect pair. Advantage simplify BGP. No need to periodically refresh. Incredible update. Disadvantage congression control of a routing protocol. Inherent TCP vulnerabilities and poor internet during high load. Four type of BGP message. Open, keep alive, notification, update. Policy with BGP. BGP provide capability for enforcing various policy. Policy are not part of BGP. BGP enforce policies by choosing path from multiple alternative import policy and export policy. Example of BGP policy: multiple home is refused to act as a transit limit path advertisement. A multiple homes can become transit for some as only advertised path to come as as can favor or disfavor creating AS. Export policy: an export policy can be part on its neighbors to customers to provide to peers. Important route. Export route. BGP route process. Apply import policy, base period selection, base routing tables. Apply export policy. BGP update message. List of window route. Network layer reachability. Path attributes. Origin path matrix. All parties advantage in the message have same path attributes. Path selection information based on path attributes, attribute example, hop count, policy consideration, path origin, link dynamic. Local preference as path MED next hop. Local preference, local mechanism to provide relative priority among BGP routes. Local reference, common use, handled right advertisement to multiple home transit customers, peer versus transit, in general customer peer provider. As path, multiple exit discriminator hint to extend neighbor about the preferred path into the S non-transit attribute used when two AS connect to the each other in more than one path. MED other attribute right selection process internal versus external GTP. These are the very basic criteria for this thing. If you have any question regarding this point, you directly can communicate with me. Thank you. Bye bye and take care.